Another day, another adventure in Pokhara in Nepal. This time I'm going whitewater rafting. Quick logistics, I'm with Paddle Nepal. It costs $57 and I think you're on the water for about an hour and a half. You can get it cheaper for about $30, but these guys seem to be the most reputable companies, so I thought I'd go with them. You're about half an hour drive from Pokhara or Lakeside. My slight worry is that it's winter, so there's not going to be as much meltwater, and so the rapids won't be as turbulent, I guess, but we'll have to see. Get the wetsuits on and take it from there. Pretty simple. Float down the river, try not to get wet. Let's do the thing. There you go. That's editing. Nice and dashing. One quick tip, they don't provide like wetsuit boots, and getting my trainers wet sounded like a real ball ache. Luckily they had some sandals that fit me, but if you have flip-flops or something, bring them. I'm gonna put the GoPro on here and we'll take it from there.
Okay. 2 and stop! And all back paddle! 1, 2 and stop! And get down! And get back! Yoo-hoo!
She's about to get real.
And 4 together! 1, 2. And stop! And hold on, hold on. And forward! 1, 2, and stop! And let's go forward again! Oh! Yeah! It's okay, it's okay. Hold on! Woohoo! And good. And it's okay, stop. Relax. 1, 2. And the next rapid will be like a very, very shallow one, okay? This one is chance to stop. And stop. Hold back, paddle. Hold back.
Oh boy.
And hold on. Woohoo! Woo!
Good back.
Hey, we need weight back there, don't we?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Go to the left.
On your left. Yeah, we're about to flip, boys. There you go. Go! Uh-oh.
All right.
Dude, what's your what's your take?
Hold on.
docked. We have to walk this section, it's too shallow.
D1, he's so deep. Yeah, come on. Oh boy. Why would we go downside?
See where the water level would be
Yeah,
in the summer, I guess.
it's low right now.
Yeah, it's really low.
Yeah. Yeah.
Towards the hold on quite late, doesn't it?
Yeah. Absolute fact. Yeah, boys! Come on! A rodeo, that's what you see in Texas. It's fucking rodeos. We're damn good at those. One more! There you go.
Oh, look at the water coming off there.
Yeah, good job, good job. There we go. Hey! Like a pinball machine.
Let's do a high five here.
I guess. I'm not giving in for shit.
Okay, thank you very much for the paddle
Thank you,
today.
sir. That was awesome.
Thank you. So that's it, done. It's a nice sort of morning out. It's just after midday now. What would be my honest opinion of it? I'd say it's a nice morning out, 60 bucks. Definitely more value than the zip lining, but it's sort of a different thing. We didn't do quite as much paddling as I thought we would do. It was always like 2 or 3 strokes at a time, and we got stuck on a number of rocks. One of the guys was like, I think I'd prefer to be a bit more aggressive in going down instead of sort of more like floating down the river or the rapids and trying to avoid the big rocks. But then again, they can't really be aggressive because, you know, not everybody's qualified to be sort of rafting. What I would say is that if you think it's going to be like truly exhilarating, it's not. Maybe in the summer when there's more meltwater and more water, the rapids are a bit larger, but it's not, you know, it's not going to make you seriously scared or anything like that. So yeah, I think saying it's a nice morning out is good. I would, you know, if you have $60 and you want to spend it and you're thinking about the zip line or whitewater rafting, then whitewater rafting is better. Although I don't think it's one of those activities where if you're in Pokhara you have to do it. I don't think it falls into that category. I think the hot air balloon does, but you can probably take or leave the whitewater rafting. There's probably, if you're traveling a lot or you're in different places, there are better spots to do it. Perhaps not in Nepal, but around the world there is, for sure. Costa Rica, Australia, lots of different places. It's actually got me thinking, because I was going to do some canyoning if I got the chance, which is $80. I don't think I'm going to do it anymore, because I think that it's probably not going to be what I am personally looking for. So yeah, I hope that helps. I hope the footage shows people what it might look like in the winter at least, and they can make, or you can make your own judgment. Bye bye.